So hey guys, it's me, Raleigh, and I thought we would do maybe showing you my slime. So I only have one slime that I made in my friend's house because they have a gallon of glue and a box of borax. So I just thought we would try and I would show you my slime. Still working on the angles. So just bear with me here. Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Maybe you can see my slime now. So it's in this pickle jar. Here's the lid to the pickle jar. I don't know if you can see that very well. But maybe you can. Maybe you can see my... Oh! Just ripped. That's it. I'm going to try to get this as far down as I can. See that? So it's like... I don't know if you can tell from there, but it's like this peachy color with a bunch of glitter in it. I don't know if you can tell, but that's what color it is. I'm just going to squish it. So because I said in my first video, which was yesterday, this is only my second one, that I was going to show you my slime, but Paisley was just very ill, and I just didn't want to do that. So... And for a shout out, I want to do a shout out for today's video. So the shout out for today is Kellie Maple, because I'm always going to put her in my shout outs because she inspires me a lot. Yeah. So she's always going to be in there. So if I get a lot of fans, then maybe. So this is basically just going to be showing you my slime. It's a really, really cool slime. I love it so much. Look at all the glitter I get in my hands. Look at all that. It's a lot of glitter. Because when it rips, you get a bunch of glitter. So I'm going to put it back in the jar. Yeah, so... that's my slime. Hey guys, by the way, my favorite emoji is the poop emoji. Literally, you will not believe the poop emoji. Look, this is my poop emoji pillow. Look at that. I love this pillow so much. It's like one of my favorites. Okay. So, for shout out, Sook Hawaii and Kellie Maple. So bye. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. You can't miss this little red button. It says subscribe. Subscribe. And comment down below mistakes. Tell me how, maybe if you know, tell me how to fix my angles. And video suggestions. Bye guys.